Hi there, welcome to the channel. This upload is about cleaning the interior glass of your vehicle properly, or a different method that you may not know. If you're having issues where you've cleaned the interior glass, you're looking at different angles and it's still smearing, you just can't seem to get rid of it. So this is a method that works really well. What you're going to need is your favourite glass cleaner, this being Orglin Fast Glass, a new clean microfiber, more importantly some gloves. Now the reason behind the gloves is this: if you didn't have gloves on, you just put your finger on your glass and run it down, natural oils from the skin will go onto the glass and it can smear it. So first off, favourite glass cleaner, give it a spray on the glass. Then what I do is laying the microfiber flat on my hand, just work it in circular motions to begin with, all the way around the glass. Then I'll leave it for about 5 seconds, just to let that dry off a little bit, and then flipping the microfiber over, then what I do is work it left to right, then up and down, and that is a really good way of cleaning the interior of your vehicle glass really well, and it generally leaves it smear free. If you like this video, please do give it a thumbs up. Please do consider subscribing to the channel, and I'll see you in the next upload. Ta-da for now.